All right, we're gonna do a colored pencil study today. So the first thing you need to do is take and draw 4 inch by inch approximately squares on a new piece of journal paper. Okay, after you have those squares drawn, the 4 of them, you need to label them light pressure, heavy pressure, gradate, and gradation. Once you have your squares drawn, you want to take out 2 colored pencils out of your colored pencil box and make sure that they are sharpened. You want some type of a blue. It doesn't have to be exactly blue like I have here, just some type of blue. The other thing you want is some type of yellow. Okay, make sure that they are both sharpened and ready to go. We are going to start with the darker of the 2 colors, which will be your blue color. And we're going to do light pressure. Light pressure is how much pressure you put on the pencil when coloring. So for light pressure, you're going to apply light pressure to your pencil. And what is going to happen is that you're going to be able to see some of that white paper through. It's going to be a little bit more transparent on your paper. So in that box, you want to evenly put light pressure all the way across. Okay. Then for heavy pressure, you're going to press harder on your colored pencil. You don't want to break the colored pencil because you press so hard, but you do want to apply heavy pressure that you see the true color of the colored pencil. A lot of times the true color of the colored pencil is the color that the pencil is wrapped in. So you're going to color evenly across the entire box with heavy pressure. The next study we're going to do is called a gradate. A gradate is when you go from heavy pressure to light pressure. Now a lot of times when students go in a gradate with a color, it starts to turn into like a sideways tornado. Like they start heavy pressure, and as you go to light pressure, you want to get smaller in your strokes. Let's try to do a gradate completely all the way across with the same width or band, taking our colored pencil from dark heavy pressure to light pressure. So I'm going to start out with my heavy pressure, and as I work my way across that box, I'm going to get lighter with my colored pencil with the pressure of it, which is going to make the color lighter too. Okay, that is a gradate. Next thing we're going to do is a gradation. We're going to start out just like we did with the blue in gradate, but we're going to do the same thing over here in gradation first. That's the first step. So start out with heavy pressure, and as you come across that box, go lighter with your colored pencil, pressing lighter with it to go to light pressure. Okay. To do a gradation, that's when we're going to take the yellow, and we're going to start out in the light pressure of the blue, and we're going to work our way to the heavy side. And we're going to apply heavy pressure with the yellow, which is going to allow the yellow to mix with the blue to make green. So applying heavy pressure as I work my way to the other side of the blue. Okay. And that is how you do gradation, from mixing one color to another color.